Funko Monsters, it's me, the Funko Monster. Today I got a unboxing of the Captain America Civil War. Nice artwork there. It's big, I'll be honest, it's very big. Got a new knife. Okay, let's open the box. I'm excited to see this new movie. How you guys doing today, huh? April vacation's almost over, unfortunately. But it's kind of over. It's Friday. I gotta do Funko Friday, so I'll do that after this. First up, we have a pin of Black Panther. And a patch of Crossbones. I really like this patch, actually. Close this knife. Alright, you guys want first impressions? Oh, that's actually nice artwork. That's nice. Alright, here you go. Merry Christmas. I'm not gonna look. Oh, no, I don't want to see that. No. The shirt is awesome. That's sick. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna wear to the premiere now. Well, not premiere, but when I go see it. That's sick. I love that. That's awesome. Oh, I saw it. Here's the comic. I knew we were getting this because I accidentally saw a spoiler, but this comic is really cool. I like how it looks. Black Panther. Ooh. Ooh. This is $5. Holy shit. Alright, I'm gonna get the smaller thing. Sweet, and another Adorb. I actually never bought Adorb directly from the store. But we have the Marvel Collector Corps exclusive Captain America Civil War. Adorb of Iron Man Unmasked. Sweet. And I saw the pop. Oh shit! Oh my god! What the fuck? Dude, that's sick. That is... Holy shit! Oh, that's awesome! Oh, I just hope the bobbleheads aren't a bitch. But still, holy shit! Oh, that's awesome. Wow, it's like there's two packs for this set. This one and the FYE exclusive, which I also have. Sweet. Alright, we got a vineyard. Oh, this thing's awesome. The paint job's amazing. Oh shit, I can't get over how cool this thing is. I just can't. Now, I think they're doing this from now on. They give you like a pamphlet of what's happening. Alright, let's see. The t-shirt design in this box is inspired by the intentional sketch which we received an unanimous conscious of the Marvel Collector Corps creative team for the first time. Sweet. Wow, this was supposed to be a Chase variant. The box was originally going to contain a Falcon Captain America pop, as well as introduce a new line from Funko. Wow! Oh, they could have done both. They just spoiled the movie. Like, it says, can you read that? Shit! Anyways, next box in June, unfortunately we have to wait that long, is Women of Power. It shows all the other boxes. Age of Ultron, Ant-Man, Secret Wars, Villains, Guardians of the Galaxy, and Deadpool. Oh shit, they had a bunch of Deadpool shirts. Okay. Wow, I really like this box. This box is awesome. I love the art on it too. Like, my favorite thing about this whole box is the box. No, it's the fucking pop. Shit, okay, guys, I have the ultimate question for you. I'm going to be asking it to you again when I do a set review of the whose side are you on? Comment down below. Whose side are you on? Team Captain America or Team Iron Man? And yeah, I don't know. I don't know whose team I'm on. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below whose side you're on. And subscribe to see a set review of all these pops, including that, and so much more stuff. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. And thanks for watching. I love this box. It's awesome. Alright, see you guys later.